Hello everyone, welcome back to my fluency journey. And in this video, we're going to translate some basic and common use sentences from Hindi to English, and which are very useful uh, when we wanted to directly think in English. So we don't have to think in Hindi. So yeah, these are very helpful to become more fluent in English, right? So yeah, let's start. क्या तुमने मेरी बात सुनी थी? सुनी थी? Did you listen to me? Did you listen to me? Listen my words. Did you listen to me or did you listen my words? वह बिना कुछ कहे चला गया. He went without saying anything. मुझे समझ नहीं आया कि वह क्या कह रहा था. I didn't understand. I didn't understand what he was saying. Right. क्या तुम मुझे सुबह जल्दी जगा सकते हो? ओके, क्या तुम मुझे जल्दी जगा सकते हो? Could you wake me up early in the morning? Could you wake early in the morning, right? मैंने उसे कई बार समझाने की कोशिश की. I tried explaining him many times. Okay. तुम बहुत जोर से बोलते हो, कृपया धीरे बोलो. You speak too loud. Please slow down. मुझे डर था कि हम लेट हो जाएंगे. Okay, we were afraid for that. We were afraid that we would be late. We would be late. उसने मुझसे मदद मांगी. He needs help from me, or he asks for my hand. Asks. He asks for my help. आज का दिन बहुत अच्छा था. Today was very good day. Right. Okay. Today was आज का दिन. क्या आप मुझे बाद में कॉल कर सकते हैं? Could you please call me later? मैं कल रात बहुत थका हुआ था. I was very exhausted last night. I was very exhausted last night. Last night I was very exhausted. Okay, I think last night I was very exhausted. Okay. बहुत थका हुआ था. क्या तुमने अपना काम पूरा कर लिया है? So do you have you completed your work? Have you completed your work? मुझे नहीं पता कि अगला कदम क्या होना चाहिए. मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know what the next step should be. What the next step should be, or what should be the next step. I don't know what should be the next step. What should be the next step? What will be the next step? What should be? क्या होना चाहिए? Okay. हम कल बाजार जाएंगे. We will go to. Okay. We'll go to a market tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll go to market. Okay. Tomorrow we'll go to market, right? To you. We will go to the market. यह काम आसान नहीं है. This is not a piece of cake. This work is not a piece of cake. Okay, let's check the answers. Mm. Did you listen to me? Did you listen to what I said? Okay, I think did you listen to me is actually correct now. This cause casual. Listen to what I said is more precise. He went without saying anything. I didn't understand what he was saying. Could you wake me up early in the morning? Could you wake me up early in the morning? Okay, what I wrote. Wake me. Okay, I mean same right. Could you wake Could you wake me up early in the morning? I Because due to writing, I think I have missed up. I tried to explain him so many times. Oh, you know that with try we should always use two infinitives, right? Not gerunds. Okay, I tried to explain to him so many times. You speak too loud. Please slow down. Okay, you are speaking too loudly. Okay, we were afraid that we would be late. He asked me for help. He asked, अरे हाँ, because पूछा था ना, right? He asked me for my help. He asked me for help. He asks for my help, or he asked me for my help, right? Today was a very good day. Today was very good day. Today was a very good day. Could you please call me later? Last night I was very exhausted. I was very exhausted last night. Okay, prefers time at the end. Okay, have you completed your work? Yeah, have you finished your work? I don't know what should be the next step. I don't know what the next step should be. Next day. Next day. Doesn't fit here. No. The next step. Oh, better to say next step or what to do next. Okay. Tomorrow we'll go to the market. This work is not a piece of cake. Correct and idiomatic, right? Okay, got it. So thank you so much. And I will bring some such more videos and this channel. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you soon.